It is cruise news time again. We got some changes for those sailing on the Carnival Magic out of New York. You got some chances to save some money with the upcoming Black Friday deals. And Disney Cruise Lines making a change to their muster drill that, honestly, I don't know how popular this is going to be. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we're going to start off with the Carnival Magic changes to sailings out of New York. So, starting June 15th of 2023, the Carnival Magic is going to be replaced with the Carnival Venezia as part of Carnival Cruise Line's Carnival Fun with Italian Style. So, the Costa Venezia, which is a Vista class ship, she is going to be rebranded to the Carnival Venezia here in the next couple of months after she goes through dry dock. Our summer season in New York has been extremely popular, so increasing our offerings with a larger, newer ship that sails year-round provides the opportunity for more guests in the tri-state area and beyond to enjoy the convenience of sailing right from Manhattan. Carnival Venezia will give guests our signature fun, combined with Italian theming to beautiful destinations from the Bahamas and the Caribbean to Bermuda and Canada. Now, as part of this change, the Carnival Venezia, well, she's going to be taking over itineraries that are currently scheduled for the Carnival Magic. And this will impact some of the guests that were already booked on the Magic for 2023. We want to provide you with an update on your cruise. Carnival Venezia will be joining the Carnival fleet and will now be operating our sailings from New York, including your cruise. We know you will enjoy the warm and friendly service from our Carnival Venezia crew and the variety of entertainment and activities that we have planned for you. Now, Carnival will be automatically moving all reservations scheduled for the Carnival Magic over to the Carnival Venezia automatically. Any onboard credits and pre-purchased items will also automatically move over to the new booking. So if you are affected, you should be receiving an email letting you know of the change. And then once the reservations are moved over, you should also receive an email locating your new cabin information and everything related to your new cruise. Well, it is also that time of year again when the Black Friday sales are back. And of course, just like stores, cruise lines also like to put out their Black Friday sales. And it can be an opportunity for you to save a little bit of money if you're thinking about booking a cruise. Looking right now here over the next couple of weeks could, like I said, be an opportunity for you to save some money. Princess Cruise Lines, for their Black Friday deal, they are offering 60 cruises at $60 per day, 100 cruises for $100 per day, and deposits as low as $1. Norwegian Cruise Lines is offering the second guest sales free airfare, free drink packages, free shore excursions, free specialty dining, and free Wi-Fi. Costa Cruises is offering $200 onboard credit. Holland America is offering 40% off of cruise fares. Celebrity Cruise Lines is offering 60 to 75% off of the second guest and up to $200 of onboard credit per guest. And other cruise lines like Royal Caribbean and Carnival, they're going to be putting their offers out here over probably the next week or so you can see specials and sales for them. So if you're interested in any particular cruise line, any particular sale, looking to save a little bit of money, go over to the cruise line's website itself, take a look at what they're offering, see what the sales actually are, or of course get with your travel agent, travel advisor, however you like to book your cruise. But it could be an opportunity for you to save some money this year. And finally, we got a Disney Cruise Line story, because they're going to make some changes to their muster drill that I don't know is going to be the most popular choice Disney has ever made. So we know one of the things that came out of the pandemic was the e-muster drill. You get on board the cruise ship, you watch a safety video through the app, you go to your muster station, you check in. Very quick, very simple, very easy. The days of everybody standing out on the deck, going to your muster station, waiting for everybody to arrive, something that could take 30, 45 minutes to an hour to get to a muster station. You know, that was the old way of doing the muster station. And unfortunately, it looks like Disney Well, they're going to bring back the old version of the muster station and do away with the e-muster. So between now and November 20th, all of Disney Cruise Line ships, it's going to be a little bit staggered, but completed by November the 20th, they are all converting back to the old muster drill, which means you're going to have to wait till they call for the muster drill. Everybody's going to have to go to the muster station. You're going to have to wait for everybody to get there. And so the quick, fast, and easy way that they've been doing it since the pandemic, well, like I said, they're switching back to the old way. And according to Disney, this is to ensure that crew members and guests are aware of all of the safety procedures and what to do in the event of an emergency situation. Now, me personally, I am a huge fan of the new way, of the e-muster. I love the fact that I can simply get on the ship, watch a safety video, go verify where my muster station is, check in, and then go about enjoying my cruise. And I don't have to wait for everybody else to get there. If you've been on a cruise recently, even when it's so simple with the new e-muster, you still hear the announcements constantly up to departure telling people, hey, stop what you're doing and go down and do the e-muster. So it's been real nice not having to personally wait on everybody else to get down there and get it done. So again, personally, I'm not a real big fan of the old way of doing it, and I'm not personally a big fan that Disney is switching back to the old way of doing the muster drill, especially considering we have a Disney cruise coming January, and now I know that I'm going to have to do muster the old way. Not going to stop me from cruising. Don't get me wrong in any way, shape, or form. Not going to make me cancel my cruise. Just, you know, something I'm not really looking forward to as part of my cruising experience. But you guys let me know what you think. Do you think Disney's doing the right thing by going back to the old way? Are you really happy with the new way and hope no other cruise line thinks that this is a good idea and they start switching back? Because that's personally what I'm hoping. I hope none of the other cruise lines think that this is something good, this is something they all need to switch, and they start considering going back to the old way. But you guys let me know what you guys think about Disney going back to the old e-muster drill, and would this even affect your desire to book a Disney cruise if you're a Disney Cruise Line fan? Let me know what y'all think. Alright, and that is going to be your cruise news for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.